Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to make the Italian chicken. What you're going to need for this recipe is a chicken breast, black pepper, salt, canned tomatoes, pesto sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, olive oil, garlic, and some shredded cheese. To begin with, you need to cut the chicken breast in half. Cut the mozzarella cheese, then add some black pepper and some salt on top of the chicken. Then place the cheese in between. Add some pesto sauce. Then spread some shredded cheese on top of it. Close the chicken and make sure to seal it well with some toothpicks. To begin with cooking, first preheat the pan with some olive oil and garlic. Then place the chicken, add some black pepper and some salt on top of it, and leave it there for about 3 to 5 minutes. After around 3 to 5 minutes, flip the chicken on the other side and leave it for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then, as I did before, add some black pepper and some salt on the other side. If your chicken is too thick, you need to hold your chicken on the sides and cook it for at least 30 seconds. Add the canned tomatoes into the pan, then take some of the sauce and put it on top of the chicken. Add some oregano, mix it very well with the sauce, and then cover the pan and let it cook for around 3 minutes. I just added a piece of chicken that I previously cut from the breast, so I don't throw it. After 3 minutes, I flipped the chicken on the other side and then covered it again. Again, after around 3 minutes, I flipped the chicken on the other side. If your sauce becomes dry, you can add a little bit of water and then just cover it again. I flipped the chicken one last time on the other side. I added the tomato sauce on top of it, some shredded cheese, some oregano, and then covered it until the cheese melts. After this last step, you're now successfully done with your recipe. And make sure to not forget to remove the toothpicks that you sealed the chicken with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notifications to always be updated.